Good morning. Flora spent the night in the house. And yeah, she's going to stay in the house. So I took an old dog crate. I don't have any puppy pads, so I used towels and an old tablecloth. Have another brand of layer feed that I've never given the girls, but it's been sitting there waiting. It's got seeds and stuff in it, and it's fermenting in water. I'm soaking it up anyway. And water, of course. And Flora needs to come out. I'm not going to force you to come out. Y'all, she has been pushing all night. She released that egg, but she did not stop pushing. And the life of chickens. I made a video yesterday about this. She has been laying rubber eggs, like soft eggs. And she has a prolapse. Honey, we don't need a vision. Anyway, I feel like crap. I need a shower. I haven't had my coffee yet. Okay, she's eating. That's a good sign. You like the seeds and the layer feed, huh? So she's going to stay in here in this bedroom. It's vacant because this is the room that the kids moved out of. And she's going to stay in here all day while I'm at work. And the reason why I don't want to let her back out with the other two is because she's inflamed. She has a prolapse. It's red, and chickens are attracted to red and they might peck at it. So I decided to let her stay inside. She's like, oh, I can get used to this. Oh my gosh, you little brat. You're standing in your food. You're still pushing too. You goofball. I'm thinking of giving her some apple cider vinegar in her water. Maybe give her some scrambled eggs. What do you think, baby girl? Like, I'm fine. This is life. I'm going to give her some eggshells that are roasted and blended in the food processor. Hi, honey. We already made a mess. There you go. Get more later. So we'll see if she passes another egg today. I'm hoping she doesn't really, because you don't want them to be passing eggs when they have a prolapse, but she probably will, because I think that's one of the problems is her eggs are too large and she's doing it too often. So we'll see when I get home. Have you plopped that egg yet? You're still trying. Yeah. Okay. You haven't moved much and you're not moving too far, so I don't have to worry about you jumping out. At least you're getting the poops out. Unlike yesterday, you were having a hard time even with that. Yeah. One last check on Flora before I go to work. Hi, baby. Well, you moved a little bit. You seem happy. I'm doing your little chirps. Yeah. I hear dogs out there. They're curious. I know. He winked. Hi, Minna. Bye-bye, Minna. Okay, let's go to work. You guys take care. Hold down the fort. Guard the house. I'm on lunch break, so I'm gonna check on Flora really quick and then get back to work. Hi, girlfriend. You made a big old mess and still no egg. Okay, how you doing, huh? How you doing?
Yeah, you're walking okay. Yep. Oh, you did a dip. Let's at least clean up the water. There you go. I just saw you pushing again. Okay, we're giving her some apple cider vinegar in her water. All right, lady. I can't be long. I have to get back. I'll see you tonight, okay? Love you.
Until next time.